Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain what happens if you press Restore Purchases on Toca World. This crucial feature helps you get back all the content you've previously bought within the game. If you've ever switched to a new phone or tablet, or perhaps reinstalled the app, using Restore Purchases is your go-to solution. It ensures that your hard-earned money and beloved in-game items are never truly lost, bringing them right back into your Toca World experience. When you tap Restore Purchases, Toca World initiates a connection with your device's App Store, whether it's Apple's App Store or Google Play. It then cross-references your account's purchase history with the game's available content. This process requires a stable internet connection to communicate with the store's servers and confirm your ownership of various packs and locations. It's a quick and efficient way to resync your game with your purchase records. Upon successful restoration, you'll find all your previously purchased content magically reappearing in Toca World. This includes all the exciting locations you've unlocked, like the bustling city or the serene farm. You'll also regain access to any special character packs and unique furniture sets that you've invested in. Remember, this feature specifically targets paid content, so free items or those earned through daily play remain untouched and available. If you encounter any issues while trying to restore your purchases, there are a few things to check. First, always confirm you're logged into the exact same App Store account you used when making the original purchases. A strong, stable internet connection is also vital for the process to complete without interruption. If problems continue, a simple device restart can often resolve minor glitches. As a final step, reinstalling the game might be necessary, but remember to try other solutions first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.